This video shows my short 48-mile drive from Alnwick, Northumberland to Gateshead, which is just south of the Tyne River opposite Newcastle upon Tyne in England. The reason for the short drive was that I spent 5.5 hours visiting Cragside House and Garden just a few miles southwest of Alnwick. During the last 3 decades of the 19th century, a successful businessman and hydraulic engineer named William Armstrong developed ways to use water on his hilly property to provide a luxurious lifestyle. It is known as Britain's first smart house and was the first home in the world to be lit by hydroelectric power. He and his wife Margaret developed the estate into an environmental wonderland with walks, forests, lakes, and other water features that attract visitors from all over the world. The blue marker on the map shows the position of Cragside and includes a couple of the photographs that I took while I was there.